kazi yoyote.
Skunde mantiere machiegni gi kar rito le mag bunge mayudore Nandi Hills osechak pogo tangi mag pi gi piny owacho mondo dwok chien ywaruok mosebedo e kinde mogwaro e kind le bunge kod jodak e ndalo oro. Migawo ma ochung' ne le bunge nochiwo tengni mating'o pi lita 20,000 e skunde mopogore opogore mayudore e alworano kolose sikund primar ma Kaptien. Jagoro ma ochung' ne le bunge John Chumo olero ni chenro makamano biro konyo sikunde pith mar yiende ka pi ma iolo ne yiende biro yudore machiegni kendo e yo mayot, gino mabiro konyo e rito alwora kendo jopuonjre biro bedo kod lony mararie rito yien.
This water tanks is part of our initiative as State Department for Wildlife to work very closely with the schools for purposes of capacity building and also bringing on forward the issues to do with reducing diseases and problems that do occur in schools. When you bring water tanks or you provide water closer to them, then we reduce the human-wildlife conflicts that arise because of the children and the teachers and even the community who are actually going to collect water. So these water tanks are not only for the school, but also for the community around. Whenever they have activities, whenever they can access water, they can be able to get from this place. One thing again that we want to teach our children in schools is the issue of habitat restoration, issues to do with smart agriculture and all that. That at the end of the day, they will be able to reduce human-wildlife conflict. The schools that have also benefited, they will ensure that they develop nurseries. They will develop the nurseries that are going to be used to develop trees, seedlings that are going to be used by the schools and also the communities around.